Greetings friends. Hey you, how you doing today? Today's video is going to be a break from our usual creepy content, and we're just gonna talk makeup and no dead people today. If you're new here and you're like, what? I do true crime and makeup together, but today we're gonna be talking just makeup, and I'm sure you know that from the title and the thumbnail because today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September. We're in September. Where has this year gone? Why is it going so fast? When is it going to be over? And Boxycharm. So something good, right? Something good in this world. I haven't even cut the tape. I got a knife. I'm going to cut the tape. We're going to open it up. We're going to look at it together. And I think this is actually a BoxyLuxe because this is a big boy, no? This is pretty big, right? That's what she said. Anyways, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, this knife, I will put it down. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where each month they take a number of dollars out of your account. I believe it's $25 for the normal box and like $50 for this. I forget. It just takes it out automatically, and I will put the info down below in case you don't know, and there will be a link in case you want to sign up. Wow, I can't speak English. There will be a link in case you want to sign up, but I'm sure you have, and you're here for spoilers, so let me give you said spoilers, huh? Let's get into it. Break. Good job, team. Okay, let's cut into the box. Cool. Now I'm gonna put the knife safely elsewhere. This box is really packed tightly, which is how I like my box, you know what I'm saying? Let's just get into it. I got the card, which the card tells us, first up, the theme, which is glam vibes only, which are the only vibes I am looking for in this day and age as a 31-year-old woman in the middle of a pandemic with a lack of employment. But no, it tells you on the back all of the things you need to know about it, prices, how to use it if you don't know, things like that. But I'm sure we'll be able to manage because it's makeup, and I know makeup, you know makeup probably if you're here. But I will add up the prices at the end. Let's just go and get into it. I feel like I'm taking too long, and I would like it if it didn't take too long, because then you might want to hang out and join the Brat Pack by subscribing and clicking the bell. Real quick transition into that because I forgot to say that in the beginning. Please do that. I put out new videos every week, true crime and beauty related, and I'd love to hang out with you. Now let's get into the products. Okay, the first thing we have in the box here retails for $48 and is from the brand Osea, I think is how you pronounce it, and it says it is their Atmosphere Protection Cream, which I don't know exactly what that means, but it says it's a lightweight firming moisturizer, which I'm here for because I dropped my really expensive moisturizer on the floor the other day and it all exploded onto my ground, which was really nice for me. I loved that. But this says that it's an everyday moisturizer that protects you from the environment. I've heard that that is a thing. It's a new thing that I'm seeing a lot of brands do. I don't know if there's any real science to it. I haven't taken the time to look into it because quite frankly, I don't really care all that much. Let me know if you are versed. I'd love to know if it's actually a real thing, but this retails for 48 bucks and I needed a new moisturizer. So if this is cruelty free, I will be using it. And if it is not, I will be passing it along. But you know what? Vegan and cruelty free. Hell to the yeah. I'm excited. Thank you. Boxycharm / Luxe / moving on. Okay, we got more skincare here. This retails for $150. This is from the brand Byroe. It is their tomato serum, and I'm happy to know that it is cruelty free. It says so on the back because this is $150, and it says that it's going to exfoliate your skin and leave it bright and young looking and youthful. And you know what? When I say that's all I ever wanted, I mean that that's all I ever wanted, at least for my skin, because it's been kind of going through it. I don't know if you can see the little forehead wrinkles I have, but I've been toying with the idea of Botox, but I'll probably never do it because it's not really the type of person I am. And then my husband's like, please don't do it, age gracefully, you know, but it is my body and I'll do what I want. But I don't think I'm the type that would ever actually do any sort of cosmetic stuff. Just get bangs, right? Problem solved. But $150. I will be using this, and I think the idea of using tomato is interesting. Tomatoes are smooth and creaseless. We got a brush. You know how much I love to get brushes, or maybe you don't if you're new. I love to get brushes because I hate to buy them because it's a lot of money for something that, like, I'm not excited to purchase. I'm just excited to own. You know what I mean? It's kind of like toilet paper. You don't want to spend the $20 on a pack of toilet paper, but you have to. That's how I feel about brushes. But, oh bitch, and it's dual-ended. I love a dual-ended brush. Some people don't like them. I like them. So this is from the brand Persona Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from Persona, but I've wanted to. But money, you know? This retails for $24 and it's a dual-ended brush. One is for blush, it says, and one is for highlight. I would probably, yeah, that seems blushy. That seems highlighty. And I like this color. It's like plastic, but like light pink, which is cute. And I like it. Thank you, Persona, for giving this to BoxyCharm and then giving it to me. 24 bucks is too much for a brush. I'm sorry, I wouldn't pay it. But I'm happy to have it. Thank you. Okay, moving on. Let's stay in the freaking family of brushes, and we got a freaking brush set, like a whole ass brush set from Pure Cosmetics. Wait a minute. Oh, and it comes in a cute little case. That's cute. I actually don't own any brush cases. I just put all my brushes in my coffee mug. So let's give this a look-see. I like the color. And I like what just happened to me, obviously. Wait a minute. Well, since I, you know, dropped them all on the floor, I took the liberty of removing them all from their little plastic sheathings. Sheathings? Sheathings? Sheathings. Casings. Anyways, this retails for 49 bucks. It's a 12-piece brush set from Pure Cosmetics, which I'm really happy to try. I've never tried any brushes from Pure. I've never heard anything about any brushes from Pure, and I'm just excited to try something new from them, because as you guys know, maybe, because I did get some new subscribers from my last Pure Cosmetics video, which was a negative review on the Raw Beauty Christie palette. I'm so sorry, Pure, which you're not watching this, but if you were, I'm sorry. I'm excited to try something new. I love getting brushes. I love the color. I like that pink is the vibe right now. All of these brushes look like something that I'd use. The only one that's kind of weird is like this one. This feels dated, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, 49 bucks. I would never pay it, but I'm happy to have it, and I love the color. So thank you. Oh, you know what? Let me just pop my little Persona in there. Pop my little Persona in there, and now they can all hang out and be friends. Cool. I love friends. Ooh, the next thing we have is from the brand Ahava, and it retails for 36 bucks. I think I actually have a small version of this in my cupboard right now. I like the brand Ahava. I first discovered them from FabFitFun. They have an amazing like body cream. Their stuff usually smells really good and is nice and hydrating. Hi, Bouse. I am excited to try this. If you haven't tried the brand, I would suggest it. I like everything that I've had from them. This is a vegan product. 36 bucks is more than I'd spend. That's why I love these subscription boxes. I'm gonna like hammer that into the ground in case you don't have them, so you know that it's worth it. And this isn't like sponsored, affiliated, anything like that. I just really think it's worth it. And if you've been wondering if it's worth it, this is your angel slash devil on your shoulder telling you, do it. Just do it. Holy shit. This next product, wait a minute. Let me compose myself. This next product is from the brand 111 Skin. It is their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It's a 5-pack, and it retails for $135. Please be cruelty-free. It doesn't say, but I'll check it online. Most of the stuff that they include is usually cruelty-free, but anyways, this is face masks. These are face masks that retail for $100. What do you do? It says it's the ultimate pre-event mask, because events are things that I frequent. I'm sure you do too. Radiance boosting glowy complexion. Diminishes wrinkles, reinforces protective barrier. Oh, there's gold in it. Okay, there you go. 24 karat gold. Fancy! I would love to be the bougie kind of bitch that put gold on her face. If this is cruelty free, I will give it a heckin' use. If not, I will give it to someone as a heckin' gift. Of course, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put on my stories. Whenever I try stuff, I put it on my stories, and whenever I'm going to post videos, I put them on my stories. So if you want to be first and you haven't clicked the bell, that would be a good thing for you to do. But I'll put an update on whether or not I can use this. And also all the information will be in the description box. It always is, including like the makeup I'm wearing today, the earrings, all that jazz. I put that stuff down below. Oh, you guys, do you see our friend? This is my son, and he's the worst. Okay, hi. All right, the last two items we have are makeup items, which I'm very excited. So let's start with the bigger of the two. All right, so the next item we have here retails for $46. It's from ELoise Beauty, and it is their Queen makeup palette. And at first I thought I had heard of this because I was like, ELoise, but I think that's PLoise that I'm thinking of. Either way, it is cruelty free. I already checked into it, and let's see what this looks like. I haven't gotten a new eyeshadow palette in a while, actually. I've been on a pretty good no-buy since switching from like primarily a review channel to a true crime channel. It's amazing. It's a lot less wasteful. It's a lot better for the environment. Ooh, bitch, but wait a minute. Oh my lord. Makeup. Woo. Makeup excites me, don't get me wrong. I love makeup. That's why I still do makeup videos, but I also love true crime. It doesn't matter. Bruh, this is so pretty. This is so freaking pretty. I am all about this. I want to play with this so hard right now. If I didn't have so much work to do today after this, this is gorgeous. Wow, okay. It's got a nice mirror in it. It's pretty big. It is cruelty free, and it retails for what did I say? 46 bucks. I will probably use this in a future video. So make sure to subscribe to see that. Okay, moving on to the last item, which is one that I'm super, super, super excited for, because it's from Fenty Beauty. All right, this retails for $36, and it is the Fenty Beauty Killawat Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo, and I got mine in the shades Sandcastle and Minted Mojito, which is an interesting, let's see what the shades look like. The names make me a little nervous, because I don't usually wear like unnatural looking highlight shades that much, but let's give it a look-see. I'm excited because I'm one of those people that didn't really get super into Fenty Beauty. Like, it was kind of expensive and I wasn't sure if it was worth it, so I didn't buy stuff from them. So I'm always happy to receive it. And ooh, the shades, I don't know, man. Okay, so these are the shades right here. This one I think I could get behind. Ugh, that's like, I don't know, probably an inner corner thing. Let's give it a swatch. Oh yeah, that's blue as shit. I don't actually think either of these would work especially well for my skin, which is such a bummer. Damn, boy, yeah, that's not gonna work on me. I think those would be gorgeous on the eyes. I think this one would be really pretty on the eyes. This would be a pretty cool inner corner highlight. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it's blue, but it kind of has like a pink shift, which is nice. For colorful looks, that'd be great. I'm honestly a little disappointed because I really thought it was gonna be something that would suit my skin, since, you know, BoxyCharm does have you take like a skin quiz, and so I thought maybe it would match, but it doesn't, but that's okay. I am grateful for everything else that I have, and I know that I'll still use this because the formula feels really nice and the shades are nice. They're just not nice for my cheeks, but you know what? Look at how pretty this highlight is. I could just wear this one all the time. I don't know if you'll see it on camera, but it's good. Let me real quick add up the total value for you and let you know how much it cost, and give you my outro. So I just did the math and the overall value of the box this month is $524. And I paid like $50. You know what? Let me check my bank account. I can tell you exactly how much per month this was. You just wait. Okay, I paid $54.74. So that's how much it was for the BoxyLuxe, which the difference between BoxyCharm regular and BoxyLuxe is mine is an upgrade. So 4 times a year I get a BoxyLuxe, and every other month it's just the BoxyCharm. So this just happens to be a Luxe month, but $524 and I paid $50. And honestly, I would use pretty much everything, assuming it's all cruelty free, which I believe it is. The only item in question is those pre-event face masks. But that's a killer deal, right? Me and Bowsy say that it's a really good deal. So you know what? Sign up, don't sign up if you want to. The link is down below. I love BoxyCharm. It's my favorite subscription service. It's one of the few that I have gotten and kept and not canceled. I only continue now to get BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. Are you stuck? Sorry, Bubba. Because I think that they are the 2 best ones. And I would highly suggest signing up if you have been on the fence. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to join the Brat Pack by subscribing and clicking that bell. I put out new videos every week, mostly the morbid makeup videos, which is me talking true crime while putting on makeup, but occasionally I throw in one of these bad boys too. I actually do these every month, and sometimes other stuff. So I'd love to hang out with you. I think that you're tight, and I think that this is tight, and I'd like to continue sharing that with the world with you and everything. So me and Bow say thank you for being here. Don't be mad. He's mad. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta hang out with him. Okay, bye.